Hi all, I'm going to show you a number trick. It's called magic number. With this, you can amaze your friend by guessing the total before you are given the numbers. Let's check how to do this. You are going to need a piece of paper and 2 pens. First, ask your friend to write down a 5 digits number. Once he write it, it's your turn to write down the magic number. You don't know the trick yet. So let me write down the magic number for you. Once you write it, don't show that to your friend. Keep it hidden somewhere. Then ask your friend to write down another 5 digits number. It's first turn to write down a 5 digits number. Then ask your friend to write down another 5 digits number. Again, it's your turn to write down another 5 digits number. Now, add all 5 numbers together to get the total. Finally, reveal your magic number to your friend. Bingo! Magic number and the total are same. How does this happen? Okay, let me reveal the magic here. Let's consider the marked number pairs. Check the total of each pair. Total is 99,999. How the total came up like that? Let me show you. When you write each digit of your number, you have to keep in mind to write them to get the total as 9 with the corresponding digit of your friend's number. For an example, consider the last 2 digit of the first pair. It's 5 and 4. When we add them together, the total will be 9. Okay, now you know how to write your numbers in this trick. So when your friend write down his first number, you have to calculate the magic number. You can easily do that. Let me show you. First you need to add 1 to each total of pairs. Then each total of pairs will be 100,000. Okay, let's calculate the total. First add the each 100,000. Then total will be 200,000. Secondly, add your friend's first number into the current total. Then total will be 235,679. As the third step, you need to subtract the additionally added 2 from the current total. Finally, you have the magic number. Now you know it can be easily calculated in your mind. If you are difficult to understand this, please view the calculate couple of times. If you have any question, please comment. We'll help you to figure out. Okay, now you know the trick. Let's go and amaze your friends. Good luck with your magic. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel to see more.